mechanical engineers have the fun toys, and it's not just that they're fun toys, but they're fun toys to learn with. This is a club, and so the one thing that's neat about this is that students come in and can get involved the day they walk onto campus, as soon as they're registered for classes. At first, they're just learning what goes on in the process, and if we get them to a competition, then they're hooked. And so they get started, they learn how to do some of the processes, maybe some of the manufacturing process, maybe they learn how to weld, maybe they learn how to use a lathe or some other thing of that nature as they're getting started. And they continue on, develop over the years, and as they get more skills that they've learned in the classroom, then they can take on more responsibilities on the team.
Physical science is applied just through studying the obstacles and what happens to the car when we go over them. And just when you turn the car, how the car leans and just how the car behaves, it's all about that. And so we can use that to make the car perform a lot better. Yeah, with our car, we can make it lighter by doing math with the forces to see what kind of force it takes and try to optimize it. Well, pretty much everybody on the team is really good at one thing and kind of good at everything else. So we have people that are specifically talented at certain parts, but often everybody chips in and works on everything. We'll teach them fabrication skills is usually where you start out learning things, welding and machining and things like that. And then after you get that down, you know a lot more about the cars and how they're put together, and so then you can start trying to design things for the cars. And it's usually juniors and seniors because we do use our schoolwork to help us design the car. And so after they know how it's put together and how things work together, then they start trying to improve on it and start designing it. And then after we design it, we build it and come see what it does. Everybody wants to win, but even if you don't, the event is still a blast. Everybody loves to come out to see what the other cars have. Just the variation of the designs with this competition makes it wonderfully entertaining. Just to come walk around, just look at the cars and just compete and see what we got.
It really does add to the experiences that the students have in the classroom. What we want to do is have this competition be something that adds to their academic program and not subtract away from it. When they now have the opportunity to study some of the topics, they can say, gee, I really do want to learn this because this is something that's going to contribute to what we're doing on the Baja team. This is as close to what you would see in industry as you can almost possibly get. From concept development through the fabrication of the prototype that we build to the performance that we can get from it, the testing that we can do on the cars to try and improve. All of those things are identical to what you might see in actual industrial processes.